This is my $5 meal for a family of 4 for 2 days. We have some beans and we have some ham that we have for Easter. And then we have some lovely cornbread, jalapeno cornbread that's made by scratch. Yep, don't that look good? Got jalapenos in it. But yeah, this meal took less than $5 to make. It took less than $5 to make a family of 4 because the ham, you know how, I don't know you guys, but in the olden day families, when they make ham, that big old ham bone instead have a lot of meat on it, they freeze it and they save it to cook with some pinto beans, some butter beans, some black-eyed beans. So basically the ham is left from Easter, and then the beans was only like $2 something a pack. And then the cornbread, if you bought a little jiffy box, what, under $1. But we made it from scratch. We have a big old bag of cornmeal from scratch to make cornbread. About $1 with the eggs, the milk, and everything. Yeah, so this meal for a family of 4 to 6 for 2 days. Easy, less than $5 because the beans was $2 something, cornbread $1, and that's it. So I want to say less than $4. Yeah, let's get to eating. You guys want some? Look at that good old ham. Good. We have jalapenos in it. We have bell peppers in it. So perfect struggling meal for under $5. Get that cornbread. Smash it in there. Really good. Give you guys some. And with that ham in it. Y'all hear the thunder? I probably can't because I got this microphone. You know what would be good with this? Some fried chicken wings. So good. Let me get y'all some. Put y'all a little bit of piece. I should have a tablespoon. Get y'all some. Open wide. You'll see them beans and that ham, cornbread. So delicious. Damn. It's raining really hard. I would let y'all see, but Rocco then jumped up here and got my food by lead. Got him. I ain't moving. I'm gonna jump up and get my food. I want to ask you guys, anybody on here been diagnosed with migraine? And my daughter, she found out yesterday she has it. She said she drank her iced coffee, and all of a sudden she was throwing up. Side of her felt numb. And she looked at the diagnosis talking about a stroke. Oh my God. But her speech wasn't like slurred, so I knew it wasn't that. She said her head was killing her. Look at that hell. So she went to the urgent care this morning, and they diagnosed her with migraine. The answer to it run in the family. Nobody I know in the family have migraines. So now she got to deal with that. She said she got to go see a neurologist or something like that. I hope I'm saying. But yeah, nobody I know has it, so. Thank God I don't have that. I can't deal with no headache. I got enough pain. I can't deal with no headache. But yeah, now she got to deal with that with life. It's crazy. She said, when she got that food poisoning, but when she talking about her hair hurt, I'm like, the food poisoning made your hair hurt. But yeah, she went to the urgent care. She said they gave her 3 shots. They gave her a steroid shot, nausea shot, and pain shot. It was not good to look up that Google stuff. Google telling her she don't have a stroke. That's why I do not run to Google when I'm sick. I know how Google is. Telling you dead. Seemed like it should have said that. Her head was killing. Hopefully, it's a one-time thing. I hope it don't come too much. She said she looked it up and it said it can come 2 to 3 times a week. Oh, I want to deal with that every week. Yeah, that is something else. This definitely is a good meal to have when your funds are low. Just to have, we like this stuff in general. We ain't gotta be struggling to eat nothing like this. We love this stuff just to eat it. It's a good struggle meal. We have that ham after Easter. Don't know what to do with it. What you do, you freeze that bone because it still got a lot of meat on it, but you can't get all that meat on. You freeze the bone until you get ready to cook it. Make you some beans, pinto bean, black-eyed pea, butter bean, black bean, any kind of beans you want. Cook them. Cook it with that ham bone. Season it up. Put some black pepper, salt, seasoning, bell pepper, onion, jalapenos. You good. And this probably lasts for 2 days. And peace out. I don't know why you. What? You're not getting nothing. Sit down. Stop begging. You ain't getting nothing. I had to learn to make myself not eat too much at once because I haven't ate since I made the chicken strip, but that only 2 days ago. But usually I go 4 or 5 days without eating. When I do eat, I eat a lot and I get sick. So I'm training myself just eat a little bit and then eat the rest later. So tomorrow I'm going to try to make myself eat. I want to make some sub sandwiches tomorrow. Oh. I'm going to try to make myself eat tomorrow. It's good. The only day I didn't eat was yesterday. That's it. This is the only meal today. My first meal of the day, and it is what? About 5 o'clock in the evening. So I did good. I didn't go 2, 3 days without eating. So I'm not gonna eat too much. I don't wanna get sick. And yeah, I just wanna come on here and eat my dinner with you guys. Your struggle meal can be a regular meal. It's good. It's good. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't want to eat too much. Put the rest out for later. Yeah, guys, another little bite. You guys some meat. Open wide. Open. Here. Good. I know. Let me show y'all the rain. I'll be right back. Put this up. Rocco think he slipped. Move! It's raining. Finally. Rain. Oh no, they supposed to go to Top Golf tonight. I don't know they gonna go in there. Can't play in the rain. Okay, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, get this meal going when you have that leftover ham after Easter or Christmas or Thanksgiving or whenever you cook a ham. That ham can be turned into a second meal. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, I will see you guys later. Love you.